I spent $3,000 on the Apple Vision Pro 2 and my wife thought I'd lost my mind. Day one, I put it on and honestly, I felt like an idiot sitting alone in my living room waving my hands at invisible screens. Week one was rough. The headset gave me headaches, I kept bumping into furniture, and my kids wouldn't stop laughing at me. Then something clicked. I was working from home, and instead of my tiny laptop screen, I had 6 massive displays floating around me. I finished a project in half the time it normally takes. My productivity went through the roof. By week 3, I was watching my daughter's soccer games I'd recorded, and it felt like I was standing on the field with her. I cried. I actually cried because I travel for work and missed so many moments, but this brought me right back there. My wife stopped making fun of me when I showed her our wedding video in full spatial capture. She said it felt like we were 25 again. The fitness apps had me working out daily because boxing in mixed reality is addictive. I lost 9 pounds without even trying. The fitness apps had me working out daily because boxing in mixed reality is addictive. I lost 9 pounds without even trying. But after 30 days, I can't imagine going back to flat screens. This isn't just a gadget, it's genuinely changing how I work, how I stay connected with my family. If you've been on the fence, try it for yourself. This is the future, and it's finally here.